Hello mga adventurers and viewers! Welcome to another episode ng ating Northern Adventures Exploring the North. And today, nandito tayo sa isa sa pinaka-historic places dito sa summer capital of the Philippines, ang Baguio Teachers Camp. Ano nga ba ang history ng Teachers Camp? At syempre may mga makakasama ako, si Kuya Mark Ace and si Ivan.
Hello mga adventurers and viewers!
Woo! Located right in the beautiful Baguio City, Teachers Camp, officially known as Baguio Teachers Camp or BTC, is a historic training center under the Department of Education. Established on April 6, 1908, this place was originally built as a vacation and training hub for American Thomasites and Filipino teachers. Imagine that, more than a century old na. Did you know that Teachers Camp has been around since 1907? From being a simple training ground for educators, ngayon isa na itong heritage site and the home of the National Educators Academy of the Philippines or NEAP. So hanggang ngayon, buhay pa rin ang purpose niya, hosting seminars, workshops, and special courses for teachers all over the country. Makikita dito ang mga classrooms, assembly halls like the famous Benitez Hall. And even an athletic oval na ginagamit din ng national athletes. And for our shoutout today, hello po kay John, Shinhirin, Pat Benting, Thelma Chan, and Richie Ruta. Maraming salamat po sa inyong panonood. At para ma-shoutout rin namin kayo sa susunod, mag-comment na sa ating episode today.
Perfect!
Dito rin makikita ang NAPOLCOM at Police Training Center ng Cordillera.
Well, Baguio Teachers Camp is a historic site in Baguio City. With more than 23 hectares, land area is a total of 60 buildings and facilities. Established on December 11, 1907, but was inaugurated in April 7, 1908. The key historical highlight, number one, this is the first Philippine Military Academy site from June 1936 to December 1941. The PMA temporarily occupied the camp due to the space constraint at Camp Henry Allen. This period saw the construction of General Luna Hall. During the post-war, the Recto Hall was used as hospital. Then. So heritage status declared a National Heritage Site in 2008 and managed by the Department of Education as a training hub for the National Educators Academy of the Philippines or the NEAP. So at present, we can accommodate 1,500 participants in our lodging facilities and at least 3,500 participants in a day in our conference hall.
May mga future plans din ang admin ng BTC, gaya ng malaking project na tinatawag nilang The Best of Benguet.
We have ongoing process MOA with the Benguet province to establish their what they call it sabungan. That is, they call it flower garden. Yeah. To be placed somewhere here in Baguio Teachers Camp, wherein the best of Benguet were being placed. We have planned to put up a multi-story parking area somewhere in Baguio Teachers Camp, so that we can accommodate more vehicles that visited Baguio Teachers Camp.
yung stigma na meron daw nangyayaring kababalaghan dito. Pwede niyo ba kaming sabihan or kwentuhan na po?
Hindi naman natin mawawala yun eh. May mga taong naniniwala, meron namang hindi. It is true naman, meron namang doon, sabi nila, may na-experience. So far for me, during my time na nagsiseminar pa ako rito, hanggang sa mapunta ako rito, wala pa naman ako na-experience.
O yan, yung mga natatakot pumunta rito and magstay dito sa teacher's camp, yun na yung sinabi ni Doc na huwag na kayo matakot, pasyalan nyo ang teacher's camp para ma-experience ninyo, di ba?
Ma-experience nila. Of course, we are inviting everyone, especially government employees, other than DepEd and other agencies can avail the facilities of Baguio Teachers Camp, including private citizens who would like to experience Baguio.
So we got the chance to see their rooms and cottages. And may mga amenities din sila nakasama. Malinis ang kanilang comfort room. May mga beds for solo, family, and friends. Dito naman ang kanilang executive cottage. Medyo nagutom ako, medyo parang gusto kong kumain. So, nahanap natin itong AC Corner at the Pines. Ang AC Corner at the Pines ay narito lang sa loob ng Teachers Camp compound. Ayan, so mga adventurers and viewers, ngayon ay kasama natin ang CEO ng AC Corner at the Pines. So, pakilala po tayo.
Hello everyone! Good afternoon po sa inyong lahat. Ako po si Doc Remy, CEO of AC Corner at the Pines. Dito po sa AC Corner at the Pines, makikita niyo po ang Baguio Teachers Camp Museum. Meron po tayong bonfire place, katulad po dito. We also accept wedding, any occasions, birthdays, and any other seminars or events sa mga company or corporations. We also have restaurants which offers variety of foods. Mga local foods po, we have Kiniing Pizza, a must-try pizza at Baguio City. We also have a cactus pizza.
Yeah.
We have fern and spinach. So lahat ng locals, even coffee beans are also being offered in AC Corner at the Pines.
Ayan, so napakarami po palang
Yes po.
pwedeng gawin dito sa inyo po.
Ngayon, dati ito kasi blanco lang siya na space, and then 2 years ago, nag-start na maging official caterer kami ng Baguio Teachers Camp, which is our company name, AC Catering Food Services. And then, modest aside, nagustuhan nila yung performance namin dito as caterer. So, nung nag-offer sila na pwede itong gawing restaurant, ginrab namin yung opportunity. And with the God's grace naman, nag-grant naman yung aming request. So, nag-start po kami dito last July 2025, and we have a soft opening last January 15. Yes, last month, yes po. So, running 2 months na po ang operation. Though we are not yet finished, some areas are not yet completed, but we started na kasi marami na pong gustong pumasok at makapag-dine in. So ito, operational na po kami ngayon. We are open from 8 in the morning. Daily po siya from 8 in the morning until 10 p.m. But the last order is 7:30 p.m. So we have variety of foods. We have menus. The DepEd recommends that we have to offer the local foods here in Calderiera. That's why we have Kiniing Pizza, Cactus Pizza, strawberry, refreshers, and yung mga iba't ibang gulay iba't ibang menu ng gulay na matatagpuan po dito sa Benguet. At saka yung decorations po dito, we have a very good architect, and then ang contractor namin is si Septems. Okay, so group of young professionals sila na nag-combine yung mga gusto namin. talagang gusto namin yung team niya, yung team of construction ay suited sa place. We are really flattered, of course, kasi hindi ko akalain na magto 2 months pa lang kami, marami na po siyang pumupunta kahit gabi. Noong una nga hanggang 7 PM lang kami, pero parang tumatagal kasi mas maraming customer na nagre-request sa amin. And then we accept feedbacks also and suggestions kung ano yung need nila, kung ano yung mas makakasaya sa kanila. Kung okay naman ay napagbibigyan na po namin sila. So nagla-live band po kami dito. We also offer live band, bonfire, and camping.
Ang dami activities po na.
Marami po silang activities na pwedeng gawin. And we also have the Butterfly Pavilion. And we also accept VIP lounge. So VIP meetings or executive meetings. I believe one difference of AC Corner from other restaurant here in Baguio City, we have the innovation, yung coffee, selfie coffee. So pag nagpa-picture, yung coffee namin, pag nag-order ka, either it's Spanish or strawberry latte, pagka-print po nung picture mo, nasa coffee mo siya. Oo. So we can feature the Spanish latte. Pag nag-order ka nun, nandun yung picture mo. Either latest picture or yung favorite picture mo. Here at AC Corner of the Pans, you can eat, sit, and relax.
Ayan, may mga souvenir shop din sila dito na pwede nyong bilhan ng pampasalubong. So, nandyan ang mga t-shirt na printed. At mga tsinelas. Ayan, mga bags. Ayan, mga handmade na wallets. Ayan, perfect pang pasalubong. At syempre, may mga tsinelas di sila dito na pambahay. Pinasilip lang sa amin ang Teachers Camp Museum pero ongoing pa ang renovation nito. And ang sabi nila, magsisend sila ng invitation para sa opening. So kung gusto niyo ng peaceful stay surrounded by pine trees, this is a great option. One of the advocacy of this camp is to maintain and preserve the environment. So the management of this camp continuously plant Benguet pine trees. So next time na mag-visit kayo dito sa Baguio, don't just think of this as a camp. More than a camp, because it's a living reminder of the legacy and growth of Philippine education. Grabe no, from 1908 hanggang ngayon, patuloy pa rin ang serbisyo nito sa mga guro at sa bansa. Ako muli si Venpong Sila na nagpapaalala na hanggat kaya mo pa, mag-adventure ka na, mag-explore ka, pero kung di talaga kaya, manood ka na lang muna. Dito lang sa Northern Adventures Exploring the North, only on Net 25 Baguio. If you enjoyed this adventure, don't forget to like, share, and follow for more. Comment down below kung nakapag-stay na kayo dito sa Teachers Camp. See you on our next adventure. Bye!